Hey gamers, in today's video, let's see how to fix graphics card issues with Infinity Nikki. Follow these steps. Step 1, update graphics drivers. Visit the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website to download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 2, verify game files. Open the game launcher, click the arrow icon beside the Start Game button, and select Verify Now to check for corrupted files. Step 3, run as administrator. Right-click on the game executable. Go to Properties, and under the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as an administrator. Step 4, close background programs. Ensure no other intensive applications are running in the background that could consume resources. Step 5, adjust graphics settings. Lower the game's graphics settings, such as resolution and texture quality, to reduce the load on your GPU. Step 6, disable XMP in BIOS. If you're using overclocked RAM, try disabling XMP in your BIOS settings to see if it improves stability. Step 7, add game exceptions on antivirus. Add Infinity Nikki to the exceptions list in your antivirus software to prevent it from being blocked or slowed down. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Infinity Nikki's support team for further.